Stop taking things personally, Part 1. Does the bullying behavior of another person make you feel unworthy? Do you mistakenly interpret people's humor as veiled insults? Many a times, a person's behavior is not particularly related to you. It's more to do with the person's upbringing, their emotions, or other factors like their mood, level of energy, or health. Are you accepting responsibility for circumstances that are not within your control? This video is crucial for you. In this video we will dwell on the first perspective that can help fight this problem. So like and subscribe this video right away so it reaches a lot of people. Let's get started. Number 1. Finding perspective. Remind yourself that you don't need anyone's approval. If you are very sensitive to how people treat you and frequently overreact, you may have a high rejection radar. If you detect any form of discomfort and wish to correct it, you fear that you're doing something wrong. Remember, just because someone is dissatisfied with you doesn't mean you've done something wrong. In many circumstances, it indicates that the person is dissatisfied with themselves and expects you to fill in the spaces. Play rejection therapy to gradually raise your tolerance for rejection. Consider if anything in your life caused you to be more sensitive. Sensitivity can be the result of individuals being especially harsh or nasty to you or abandoning you in the past. Consider your childhood, adolescence, and subsequent experiences, if any. Past rejection, judgment, and abandonment experiences may have made you more sensitive to these things. People who have critical parents may become overly sensitive as a result, show signs of anxiety or depression. Untangling some of these emotions may assist you in understanding why you feel this way. Take time to think about why you feel and react this way. What are you scared of? Why are you terrified of it? Consider this. This elicits strong emotions, especially hidden ones, so plan on working on this for weeks, months, or years, with plenty of breaks if you become overwhelmed. Speak with a counselor or a therapist. Write a list of your strengths. People's thoughts and actions are simply that. Being uncertain and placing our self-worth in the views and behaviors of others makes us more sensitive to their opinions. Have confidence in your talents. You are less likely to be affected by others' harsh behavior or opinion. It is vital to be proud and secure in your own abilities than to consider the views of others. Make a list of your strengths and abilities, a list of accomplishments or proud moments. There are advantages to being sensitive. Reward yourself for your efforts to help gain your confidence. Remind yourself of how you help others. Contributing to and assisting others is extremely satisfying and provides a sense of purpose. This considerably helps to sentiments of self-assurance. Remind yourself of your advantages and services to others. Write a list of goals. Having goals to strive towards gives you a sense of self-worth and purpose. This includes areas where you'd wish to improve or advance. Then, for each goal, divide it into smaller steps. How can you get started working toward that goal? What could you possibly do now? Try talking to a mental health counselor. If you believe you are overly sensitive to other people's comments, you may benefit from speaking with a counselor. This person can assist you in identifying issues that contribute to your sensitivities. They can also offer coping tactics when you encounter with unpleasant people. Thanks for watching. Hope this helps. Subscribe for more. Good luck.